You are what you believe yourself to be. Neville Goddard. These words hold the secret to a life beyond your wildest dreams. Do you dare to believe? To imagine a life where your deepest desires become your everyday reality? This is the power Neville Goddard offers. The power to transform your life by transforming your mind. Neville Goddard, a 20th century spiritual teacher, shared a revolutionary concept. Your mind is a tool of infinite creation. He taught that your thoughts are seeds. They have the potential to blossom into your reality. Are you ready to plant the seeds of your dreams? With Goddard's techniques, you can. This is not magic, but a science of the mind. It's about understanding the creative power within you. It's about using this power consciously to shape your experiences. It's about realizing that you are not a victim of circumstance, but a powerful creator. This journey begins with a single step, a shift in your awareness. Embrace the truth of your inherent power. You're not just a dreamer. You are a manifester. You have the power to bring your desires into being. Are you ready to step into your power? Imagine your mind as a fertile garden. Your thoughts are the seeds. What are you planting? Every thought, every feeling is a seed sown into the garden of your subconscious. Positive, loving thoughts cultivate a garden of abundance and joy. Negative thoughts, fears and doubts sprout weeds of limitation and lack. The choice is yours. What will you choose to plant? Goddard taught that consciousness is the only reality. The world you experience is a reflection of your inner world. To change your outer world, you must first change your inner world. Start by becoming aware of your thoughts. Pay attention to your inner dialogue. Are your thoughts dominated by fear or faith, by lack or abundance, by limitation or possibility? The answers will reveal the state of your garden. Remember, you are the gardener of your mind. Choose your thoughts wisely. Imagination is the very doorway to reality. Neville Goddard. Imagination is not just a whimsical escape, it's a powerful tool of creation. It's how we consciously plant the seeds of our desires. Goddard believed that the subconscious mind does not distinguish between what is real and what is vividly imagined. When you vividly imagine something as if it were real, your subconscious mind accepts it as true. This is the principle behind visualization, a cornerstone of Goddard's teachings. Visualization is not just daydreaming. It's about creating a sensory experience in your mind. Feel the joy, the gratitude, the reality of your desire. Close your eyes and imagine your desired reality as if it were happening now. Engage all your senses. What do you see, hear, smell, taste, and touch? The more vivid the visualization, the more powerful its impact. Imagination plants the seed, but feeling is the sunshine and water that make it grow. Feeling is what gives your visualizations power. Assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled, Goddard urged. Don't just think about what you want. Feel it as if it were already yours. Feel the joy, the gratitude, the satisfaction. When you embody the feeling of your desire, you align yourself with its vibration. You become a magnet, attracting the people, circumstances, and opportunities that will bring your desire to fruition. This might feel challenging at first, especially if your current reality feels far from your desires. But remember, you are a powerful creator. You have the power to choose your thoughts and feelings. Living in the state of the wish fulfilled means shifting your mindset from one of longing to one of having. It's about embodying the feeling of your desire now, even before it manifests in your physical reality. This is not about denying your current reality. It's about shifting your internal state to align with your desired reality. It's about choosing to live from a place of faith, knowing that what you desire is already yours. Start by cultivating an attitude of gratitude for what you already have. Gratitude is a powerful amplifier. It shifts your energy from lack to abundance, from longing to appreciation. Throughout the day, find moments to embody the feeling of your desire. Feel the joy of your dream job as you commute to work. Feel the happiness of being in a loving relationship as you go about your day. Sometimes our deepest desires are held back by limiting beliefs. These are the negative thoughts and beliefs we hold about ourselves and the world. They act as invisible barriers, preventing us from manifesting our full potential. These beliefs are often deeply ingrained, stemming from childhood experiences, societal conditioning, or past disappointments. But the good news is, beliefs can be changed. You have the power to rewrite your story. Start by identifying your limiting beliefs. What negative thoughts or beliefs are holding you back from what you want? Once you've identified them, challenge their validity. Are these beliefs based on facts or simply on fear? Replace these limiting beliefs with empowering affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that reinforce your desired beliefs. Gratitude is more than just good manners. It's a powerful tool for manifestation. When you are grateful, you shift your focus from what you lack to what you have. You shift your energy from longing to appreciation. This shift in energy is crucial for manifestation. When you are grateful, you are in a state of receiving. You are open to the blessings the universe has in store for you. Start by making a list of everything you are grateful for. Big or small, every blessing counts. Feel the gratitude in your heart as you write. Make it a habit to practice gratitude daily. Keep a gratitude journal, express gratitude to others, or simply take a moment each day to appreciate the good in your life. The more you focus on gratitude, the more you will attract things to be grateful for. The journey of manifestation is not always easy. There will be times when you face challenges, setbacks, or doubts. During these times, it's important to remember Neville Goddard's words. Faith is the substance of things hoped for, the evidence of things not seen. Faith is not about denying the existence of challenges. It's about trusting in the unseen, believing in the power of your mind, and knowing that even in the face of obstacles, your desires are on their way to you. When doubts creep in, remind yourself of your past successes. Remember a time when you manifested something you desired. Let this memory fuel your faith and remind you of your power. Visualize your desired outcome. Feel the joy of its fulfillment and trust that the universe is working behind the scenes to bring it to pass. Remember, even in the darkest of nights, the sun always rises. One of Goddard's most powerful techniques is the state akin to sleep technique. This involves entering a relaxed, drowsy state before sleep and vividly imagining your desire as if it were already real. Another powerful technique is the revision technique. This involves revisiting a past negative experience in your imagination and rewriting it with a positive outcome. The key to success with any of Goddard's techniques is consistency and feeling. Make these techniques a part of your daily routine and approach them with faith and feeling. Remember, these techniques are not a magic bullet. They require effort, commitment, and a willingness to believe in the unseen. But for those who dare to embrace them, the rewards are limitless. Mastering the techniques of Neville Goddard is more than just learning how to manifest desires. It's about embarking on a journey of self-discovery and empowerment. It's about realizing the infinite potential that lies dormant within you. It's about understanding that you are not a victim of circumstance, but a powerful creator of your reality. It's about stepping into the driver's seat of your life and creating a life beyond your wildest dreams. This journey will challenge you, push you beyond your comfort zone, and force you to confront your deepest fears and limiting beliefs. But it will also be the most rewarding journey of your life. It's a journey of self-discovery, of realizing your true power, and of creating a life of purpose, joy, and abundance. Are you ready to embark on this incredible journey? The power to transform your life lies within you. You hold within you the power to create a life beyond your wildest dreams. Neville Goddard's teachings offer you the keys to unlock this power. Embrace these techniques, experiment with them, and make them a part of your daily life. Start by becoming aware of your thoughts. Plant seeds of positivity, love, and abundance in the garden of your mind. Use the power of visualization to create a clear image of your desires. Feel the joy, the gratitude, the reality of your desires as if they were already yours. Transform your limiting beliefs into empowering affirmations. Embrace the power of gratitude and approach challenges with unwavering faith. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that step today. Embrace the power of your mind and create the life you were born to live.